Charlotte's kitty cat crayons. Mommy's finally gonna let her play with them. All right, Charlotte. Here's your paper. Here's your kitty cat crayons. Yeah, they're crayons, sweetie. You can color with them. What do you think? Yeah, they look like little kitties. Ah, there's 3 little kitties. What do you think? Can you say something? You're very serious, Charlotte. Got them all unpacked there? Now you gonna color with them? I don't understand what they are. That's okay. You want to put them back in their case? You can put them in and take them out. That's just 20 times as fun. Yeah.
No.
You don't need that? Okay, I'll hold that for you. Gonna color?
Yeah.
Oh. Here, I'm gonna show you. Look, it goes color, 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 color. You can color with them. Oh, oh, color. Here, take away Mommy's tainted one. Give you a clean sheet. There you go. Clean sheet. Oh yeah, you need the color on. You need something to color on. Okay, now you're gonna get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. Kitty cat crayons. Can you say hooray? Carefully put them all up, huh? Put them all up, huh? Helicopter. All right, Charlotte. If you're not going to color with them, I'm going to turn this off. Uh-oh, that one fell over. Uh-oh, I got to get that one up. Uh-oh. Put that one up. Can you put them in Roy G. Biv order? Yeah? Oh, it got knocked down. It's a weeble wobble. But they do fall down. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah. You know, they don't all have to stand up. Yes, they do, Mommy. There you go. And there's purple. Yay! Good job! Ta-da! Is that a little kitty cat? Does it look like a kitty cat? Is it like herding kitty cat crayons, trying to get them all to sit up straight?